Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to transfer Bitcoin to Cash App. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open the Cash App on your phone and go to the Money or Banking screen. Here, scroll down and then tap on the Bitcoin section. Now, scroll down and tap Deposit Bitcoin. Here you will see two network options, Bitcoin Network and Lightning Network. If you're transferring Bitcoin from a regular crypto wallet or exchange, select Bitcoin Network. If you're sending from a Lightning-compatible wallet, choose Lightning Network. After that, tap the copy button to copy this address. Now open the wallet or exchange where your Bitcoin is currently stored. Once you have copied your Cash App Bitcoin wallet address, open the Binance app and tap the Assets tab in the bottom right corner. Now tap the Send, then select Withdraw Assets. Here, select BTC, Bitcoin as the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Paste the Cash App Bitcoin wallet address that you copied earlier into the recipient address field. After that, enter the amount of BTC you want to send. Review the transaction details carefully, make sure the network is correct, and then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the transfer. Once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, the Bitcoin will be transferred to your Cash App Bitcoin wallet, where you can hold it, sell it, or send it to another wallet whenever you want. And that's it! So that's basically how you can transfer Bitcoin to Cash App. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks!